Hey everyone, this is Miss April, and I just want to take a minute to show you how you can use items. This is my dog Lady. We just want to take a minute to show you how you can use items around your house to work on your fine motor skills. And these are just items that I found in my junk drawer today. So we are using a lot of tennis balls these days because Lady is learning how to fetch. And we also found some buttons and some change and some really old sauce packets. And so the idea is that we took Lady's tennis ball and we put a slit in it, and then I added some ice just to make it a little bit more fun. So the idea is that you are feeding the tennis ball. Take one hand, you open or you squeeze, and then let's feed him. What do you think, Lady? Some ketchup? Then we just feed him some ketchup. You can feed him some change. Like I said, we could have fed him some buttons, but I really like this activity because it works on hand strength, it works on in-hand manipulation, so all kinds of pre-writing skills. It's working on those other fine motor skills to help with holding pencils, holding crayons. It's working on bilateral coordination. You're using both of your hands, and it's working on hand-eye coordination, just all kinds of skills. But feel free to have some extra fun with it. Have your kiddos draw faces, use funny voices, help or encourage them to find things that they can feed the ball, and just have a good time. So enjoy.